So hello guys, welcome back to another video of mine. I know it's been a long time, I'm gonna get this fast, so I got it. So first you want to download MobCrush. Oh yeah, by the way, this is for people that don't know how to broadcast in MobCrusher. So first you want to download MobCrush, and you want to click on it. Then it says stream gameplay to, well, put YouTube to like wherever you want. And then it'll say, after you click on it, something like that. Then you wait. And there you go. And I put continue, and then let's switch out error because I'm gonna have to. There you go. If it says that, you're gonna have to re-download the app. And then you wanna choose your game. They don't have all games, but you wanna put one. Like if I had Fortnite mobile, I'll put, and then put Fortnite gameplay in the backyard. And then you could receive chat messages. That's how you can contact your people in your live stream. And you put save settings, and you want to put how to broadcast. So you go to settings, and then you go to control center, and then you put customize, and then you put screen recording. And then you want to open it to control center by swiping up or like your right corner to like the bottom left corner, your top right corner to the bottom left corner. I can't do that right now, or it's gonna stop recording. And then you want to hold it just like that, and you can include your audio or not. And then yeah, you put that if you have sound on when broadcasting or off. And then there you go guys, that's how you broadcast. I hope you like, subscribe.